Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you a 7-day warm-up process when you're managing multiple Instagram accounts. So this is my recommendation. First, you will need to prepare an Instagram account with Cookie or with TOF a code for both, like this. I will have my account. This is username. This is pass. This is TOF a code. Next, you will need to prepare proxy, of course, when you're managing multiple Instagram accounts. You will need to use proxy, so each account will have a different IP. And yes, I recommend one IP for one account, and you will use static IPv4, and you can use mobile proxy or residential proxy. If your budget is not enough, you can use data center, it's okay. Next is you will use the automation software to managing all the accounts on one dashboard. So this is the software that I use. First, you can see here is the account management. Here will help you to add and manage unlimited number of Instagram accounts. And you can see here, I have more than 1,000 accounts. And this account, I can log in. Then it will log into my Instagram account with this. You can manage many Instagram accounts, and you can see here, just like a normal browser. Next, this is the warm-up process that I recommend. On day 1, you will connect the account to the software, adding proxy, log in the account, and leave it to rest for 1 day, not doing anything. So we can use the new device and new IP. Day 2, we will start scrolling some new feed. Watching some video, it will take about 10 to 15 minutes. We're liking some posts. Follow some people and we're posting one post or video. Next, in day 3, we will also scroll new feed or watching video. Take about 10 to 15 minutes. And liking some posts, follow people, send some DMs, and liking and posting one post or video. In day 4, we will start changing the information, like the profile picture, bio, name, and we start keep scrolling new feed, liking posts, commenting posts, follow people, and then we post one post and one video. In day 5, 6, 7, we will repeat in day 4, like we will scroll new feed, liking posts, comment, follow, and posting. So after 7 days, your account will at least have 10 posts. So it will increase the trust of the account and starting. From day 8, we will start doing outreach, like auto-comment, auto-DM, auto-follow, posting content. Okay, I will show you how to use my software. You will go to Interaction Script. Here will help you to make an automation script to warm up your account. I will click to add new script, and then I will enter the script name here, warm up day 1, okay? And then I will choose the action that I want. I will scroll in new feed, story, watching reel, liking posts, and read notification. And I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll enter here 5 action. There's 2 numbers here because each account will randomly choose a number between. So no account have a similar history of interaction. Okay, I will press save. So yeah, done. I have a script for my day to warm up. There, and you can run this, and every single day. We will do the posting so the account will have content. We'll go to viral marketing, and then I will press start, and then we'll let the software do the work. Okay, there you can see it start opening the browser like this, and it will log into Instagram and start interacting with the script that we set up. It was watching some video, it will scroll through, and then liking some posts, okay? You can watch the whole process that working on the screen. If you need more information, please contact me in my Telegram or WhatsApp. The details are pinned down below the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.
With you always by my side, off of the ground. Cause the feeling so damn high, I'm hypnotized. Yeah, you put my mind at ease. Got you divine, I'm thankful that you're mine. Passport, hotel, jet plane, my life won't ever be the same. Got you all up in my brain. Love the way you change me for the better. Got me through bad weather, I want you all the time. Love the way you looking at me like people are looking at their phones. I've spent 7 years looking for love that I can hold. all I need.